Respected Chief Guest, Honorable Thiru Justice S. S. Sundar, former Judge of Madras High Court. Respected Special Guest, Thiru Samay Singh Meena, IPS Deputy Commissioner of Police. Respected Sri Haran Balan sir, Dr. Kaliraj Naidu sir, Thiru Anil Balaji, Thiru Mukund Kandadai, and members of National Cyber Security Research Council, cyber security professionals, students, friends. Good morning to one and all present. So firstly, I'm truly privileged and honored to be here and part of this conference as it's the need of the hour. I start with a simple statement. A person now sitting wearing a Burberry shirt in Johannesburg can steal money from an 80-year-old sitting in Trichy. That's how the state of affairs right now. Earlier, if a robbery has to be done, it's more of physical interaction. There'll be some breakage happening. There used to be some fights and stuff. But now, nothing at all. It's just polished and white-collar crimes. So, welcome to the new reality. Cybersecurity is no longer about computers, softwares, and firewalls. It's more about how people scam using their trust. They fool people using their. They just call bank. They just call from a bank. They be like, we need your OTP, or we need we help you gain money through making Google ads, by making you invest in certain companies, and they scam them. First, initially, they make them make some profit and gain their trust. On a later stage, they end up scamming them with the use of money. And it's going on a, if you see the graph, it's going on a very high scale, and it's very alarming and very threatening to society. So we all live in a society where UPI payments, booking tickets for travel or cinema, theaters, everything is online right now. So everything has to be monitored very diligently and very cautiously to avoid such scams at the moment. So going factually, across India, the scale of challenge is very clear. In 2025 alone, CRT handled more than 29 lakh cyber security incidents. So the NCRP data also shows that the registered cyber crime cases in India increased from 52,974 in 2021 to 86,420 in 2023. In Tamil Nadu, registered cyber crimes increased from 1,076 in 2021 to 2,082 in 2022, and then to 4,121 in 2023. This is nearly doubling in just 2 years. So behind every number, there's a family, there's a livelihood which is affected. This has to be studied very diligently, and it has to be addressed at the earliest. So as speakers before me had mentioned, the first few hours of the incident is very, very crucial. It's like the honeymoon period for the victim. They need to utilize that period to inform the police or call the 1930 and inform the incident. Otherwise, it's going to be really difficult for them to get back the money which has been scammed. So cyber criminals, cyber security is no more a technical subject. It's more of a government subject. It's more of a people subject. It has to be addressed very emotionally as well as technically. So cyber criminals start attacking the minds of people, not just the machines. They attack the minds. They go into the psychology. They go into the emotions. They make them greedy for more money, and they attack them and get them scammed. So going forward, now with artificial intelligence, deep fakes, the voice cloning and fake videos, the crime has become more serious. So we need to, as government, we need to be more cautious about it. Tamil Nadu faces a very unique challenge. We are a highly educated, industry, service-driven society, and we have a huge IT corridor in Chennai, which makes us very strong. The economy of Tamil Nadu is very robust. On the other hand, we are the major target. We are very vulnerable sector because people from all over the state, like from rural part of Tamil Nadu, come to Chennai. They're very oblivious and unaware of what's the actual cyber security is. So they are very naive about what things happen, how they can be scammed. A good government cannot wait and respond to when actions happen, when the scams already occurred. So we need to be proactive. Yes, in the previous government, the cybersecurity 2.0, cybersecurity policy 2.0 has been introduced, And yes, appreciation is due. However, this is just a policy. They cannot just sit on it, renew it every 5 years, and wait for the next government to be formed and make the other policy. A good government should study the crimes, they must upgrade themselves and make sure they are in par with how the scammers are thinking. They should be tackling in every day, on every day affair. So under the guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister, through C. Joseph Vijay, our government in Tamil Nadu is very, very clear that we are going to be both digitally advanced and digitally secure. That's the need of the hour, because being just digitally advanced is not going to help us in any way. We need to be digitally secure to maintain the dignity and the integrity of the state and its citizens. So under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, we have a separate exclusive portfolio for artificial intelligence, which the Tamil Nadu has never seen before. So this was not an afterthought. This was part of our manifesto prior to elections, and he has executed this. And we are doing a phenomenal job in bringing in e-governance and making sure that the e-governance is secured and helps the people at the earliest. Many people speak about the technology after it arrives, but true leaders like our Honorable Chief Minister sees the vision prior and make sure we don't fear about the future. We are going to lead. Tamil Nadu is going to lead, are going to be a leader state in India and be a model state with regards to cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. That's our goal, and that's going to be our vision for the next few years. So our leader already made a statement with this portfolio which has been introduced, and our Honorable Minister for AI, Mr. Kumar, is already on the job, and he's going to be introducing a lot of schemes for cybersecurity in the near future. So yes, as Sir mentioned earlier, the 1930 has to be made public and need more awareness among people. As a member of Legislative Assembly from the Madras constituency, I'll ensure that 1930 is going to be publicized throughout the constituency from the abilities of and cybersecurity is more based on the English language. I think I will represent to the government and make sure we make awareness in our mother language, Tamil too. So cyber safety cannot be just about conferences and presentations. It must reach every household in every village and every rural part of Tamil Nadu. So we need to I request our dignitaries here and the panel members to make sure this doesn't end here, this is the beginning, and we take it forward and to every nook and corner of the state, and we create an ecosystem so that people who are naive and oblivious about this cyber crimes get an awareness, and even if they get scammed, they should be knowing how to take things forward, how to secure their money, and be aware in the future. So Tamil Nadu is going to be, our vision is going to be clear. Tamil Nadu is going to be a very innovative state in the future, and artificial intelligence is going to take a spearhead in moving forward. So let us work together to make Tamil Nadu and India a digitally progress and digitally safe country to live in, and make us moving forward. Let's just have a collective duty as government institutions, advocates, the several agencies that join hands together and make sure we live in a cyber safe state. Thank you so much for the opportunity. I'm very honored to be here. Thank you, Kaleraj Naik sir and Balaji for this opportunity, and I'm sure you guys will do a phenomenal job moving forward.